Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live, and yep, it's that time of year. Wide open beaches, cooler weather, and a lot of family fun. Whether you're down here for the week, a weekend getaway, or just make a day trip down to enjoy our 27 miles of paradise, it's that time of year. But it's also holiday season. Yep, we're rolling into the holiday season that I call the holiday season about the week of Thanksgiving, maybe the week before, until past New Year's Eve, and that's the season that we're in now. A lot of people come down with their families for the holidays, whether it's Thanksgiving weekend, a week down here at Christmas. Maybe they spend New Year's Eve down here, and I tell you what, as long as there's not a burn ban going on, and hopefully there won't be. You've never seen New Year's Eve the way the sky lights up beachfront here on Bolivar with fireworks. But we do this show every Tuesday morning. It's the Big Store Show. Well, one of several that they do, but this is all about the ads. And whenever it comes to grocery shopping, maybe needing a part for your house, maybe you're ready to catch some fish, camping on the beach, or the best part is fresh groceries. You can get them at the Big Store. And the ads kick off on Tuesdays at 7 a.m. and then run through the following week. During the holidays, though, a lot of times the ads will go on for 2 weeks and that. And so typically around Thanksgiving and then Christmas, the ads will be extended a little bit, but there's some great pricing. So if you're coming down for the holidays, or if you're coming down anytime, you don't have to worry about toting groceries down here. In fact, here's a look at this week's front page, and then some of the discounts and sale items that they have at the Big Store. You know, Keith does a lot in the community, does a lot for everyone down here, even things people don't realize he's done. He makes phone calls, and so it's always great to support the local community, and especially those businesses that give back, that do things in the community to help them, and that's definitely what Keith and Charlene and the crew. Whether you need a breakfast burrito, maybe you have a larger group and you need a breakfast pizza, maybe you're ready to grill steaks on the grill with family and friends, or on the beachfront, or make s'mores on the beachfront, you can get everything you need at the Big Store. But when it comes to ice, beach stickers, gas, home goods, gift shop, clothing, and more, it's all in one location at the Big Store. In fact, even if you didn't need anything, you need to make a trip up there to see this awesome destination here on Bolivar. In fact, a lot of people love just going up there and walking around and seeing everything they have. So anyway, if you want more information on the Big Store, you can visit their website. In fact, we're doing some work. They're having a little trouble with it, and so we're doing some work on the website. But we do this show every Tuesday morning, talking about the sales and the Big Store and our beautiful 27 miles of paradise. So anyway, check them out, stop by, grab your holiday groceries, and start stocking up, because with the holidays comes family, and you're going to need a lot of food to get them through the holidays, whether it's turkeys, spiral sliced hams, maybe some oysters, maybe some crawfish, hand-cut steaks, maybe your family wants to make that ultimate pumpkin pie. You can get it all at the Big Store. Well, we're going to head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. Hope to see you on the beachfront for the holiday season here on the Upper Texas Coast, Bolivar Peninsula. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye. Video equipment is sponsored by Crystal Beach Decor and More, located at 1959 Highway 87 in Crystal Beach, Texas, and Beachy Beatnik Boutique and Jewelry, located at 970 Surfside and Highway 87 in Crystal Beach, Texas. Thank you to these two businesses for being our 2025 video equipment sponsor for Bolivar Live.